It is simple. 20-second tutorial of how the game works. On treadmill, you will speed per second to go faster. Then beat the orbit to earn wins. With the need increases speed. Okay. That's it. Good luck escaping and have fun. Of course. What is my butt? Is stop back. So I need click. Oh, this is gonna be so slow. Fly, bird. But you're so useless. You're useless like banana. Let's get lava tray and 3, 2, 1. Basically, I just got lava tray. And let's go. Can I beat it? Let's go. Fly bird! Oh, I said fly like a sunshine. What's this? But this one. Huh? I'm so mad. Let me fall. Why can you walk on lava, huh? Why can you walk on lava? Why can you walk on lava? Why can't you walk on lava, huh? Please don't beat the range 3 game, please. That make me so mad. Ranging. We're gonna get level 5, baby. Get 1 win, return, or get. Let's go. 3 win or return. No, I cannot do it. I rather 3 win. 3 win! How much this cost? 3 win required. Thank you. Oh, I can fly like a sunshine. Okay, lava stack has been complete. We good. Bye-bye. Meow. Our airplane is coming. Yum. The fish is so yummy. Yum. Look at the chick. Oh my gosh. I got level 7 and the chick is so happy. Okay, let's try. I cannot fly, okay? What's this? Stay for one. Oh my gosh, I cannot beat it. But the only I can beat, I get 15. I'll see you when I get this, but we have get 16 when. Let's do treadmill until I get level 12. I AFK and I get level 13. I hope I can beat the angry bird. And one day I will be the angry bird. One day I will be the king of the forest. One day I will be the king of the forest, and Why is this so long? Meow, 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 meow. I can fly like a little bird. Okay, surely we can. Okay, I was close. Heck no. I need more spot. Max. Well, probably one. Oh. This is the slowest boat on earth. 40 speed is kind of fast. I need 50 speed, okay? I cannot get more levels, so I just hit the max speed. So the max speed is only 40, and I just hit the max. This is unfair. Oh, I thought the bravest bird on earth, but I just died. Thanks to Justin, I found out. I secretly found out my brother don't have a girlfriend. And more kata. But why cannot you? Wait, can we fly on the ground here? No, we like jump so hard. I will be the first person to jump in the lava. My bird can fly under the lava. That's not even close to touch the lava. I died. And I will be the first bird to crash to a plane. I will be the first bird to crash on the plane. You know what? I'm not just gonna wait. I'm gonna go Suey. Meow, na 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 meow. 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 How so fast? Do I need this? Cost 100 win. You 300. Okay, win. Let's game. Heck no, I'm leaving. Free reward. You say free reward? Yeah, thank you. I'm leaving. Thank you very much. I'm leaving.